Hi guys and welcome to my channel. This video is part of my trading routine where I capture and review my trade. Today I want to share with you a very clean setup of a successful trade that I took. Let's get right into it. So today I'm trading a PTON, Peloton. Peloton produces an internet-connected stationary bicycles and treadmills. If you have monthly subscription, you can remotely participate in classes via streaming media. This is a nice concept that thrived due to COVID restrictions, but lately Peloton struggles with their revenue. You can see a steep drop in price on daily chart, but today we don't care about that much because the price action looks very bullish. The 20 MA line is a blue line on the chart, is serving as support and is trending up. There is a resistance at the 50 level, and if it breaks out, I expect it to go much higher. So I'm entering my regular position, 1000 shares, and if I will see signs it goes to my direction, I will scale out my trade. If you agree with me, you should like this video and subscribe. As it starts to go up, I'm adding another 1000 shares. Usually I would remain with the initial position size, but this is an A+ setup for me and the price movement looks very predictable. So I'm ready to take higher risk for bigger returns. It looks like it was worth it, but we should wait and see how it plays out. After a couple of minutes, it's getting really high, so I'm ready to take my profits. So I'm setting the first sell limit order to lock some gains. I want to wait a little bit longer just to give it a chance to reach this level. And it looks like it doesn't want to go there, and I'm out of my patience and I'm starting just to sell in the shares at the current price. So I took out a half position, 1000 shares, and another 1000 is still in the trade just in case it continues higher. And it stays on the same level for another couple of minutes, and I'm out of my patience. I want to take the profits and I'm exiting my position. $1,100 is a great score. I could take a little bit more. I was up about 1600, but I'm not greedy. This is a great trade and I'm very happy with it. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in another video.